Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into Google's latest creation, the Pixel 9. The anticipation has been building, and now it's here. Join me as we unbox this sleek piece of technology. Get ready for a deep dive into the Pixel 9. This isn't just another phone launch, it's a glimpse into the future. From its cutting-edge camera to its powerful processor, this phone is packed with innovation. So without further ado, let's get started. The Pixel 9 is here, ready to redefine what you expect from a smartphone. The Pixel 9 box, as always with Google, is a study in minimalist elegance. Clean lines, subtle branding, and a premium feel set the stage for the experience within. Lifting the lid reveals the star of the show, the Pixel 9, nestled snugly in its protective cradle. The first impression is one of refined simplicity. Beneath the phone, you'll find the usual suspects: a USB-C cable for charging and data transfer, a SIM ejector tool, and a quick start guide. Google continues its tradition of providing the essentials without unnecessary clutter. There's a certain satisfaction in the streamlined presentation. Notably absent is a charging brick, a trend that continues across the industry. While this might disappoint some, it's a move towards sustainability that we're seeing more and more. Existing USB-C chargers will work perfectly, and it reduces electronic waste. The unboxing itself is a swift and satisfying experience. Everything is neatly organized and easily accessible. It's a subtle but effective way to build anticipation for the phone itself. The stage is set, the Pixel 9 awaits. The Pixel 9 boasts a sleek and modern design that feels both premium and comfortable in the hand. The smooth glass back curves gently into the metal frame, creating a seamless and elegant aesthetic. The phone is surprisingly lightweight despite its robust build quality. It's a testament to Google's attention to detail. Available in a range of sophisticated colors, the Pixel 9 offers something for everyone. From classic black to a vibrant sky blue, the color options reflect a sense of playful sophistication. The subtle Google logo on the back adds a touch of understated branding. The build quality is exceptional, with tight tolerances and a solid feel. The buttons are clicky and responsive, providing satisfying tactile feedback. The overall impression is one of durability and refinement. It feels like a phone built to last. Holding the Pixel 9 in your hand, you immediately sense the quality of the materials and the precision of the craftsmanship. It's a phone that exudes confidence and sophistication. It's a device that feels as good as it looks. The Pixel 9's 6.4-inch OLED display is a true marvel of engineering. With a vibrant color palette, deep blacks, and impressive brightness, it's a joy to behold. The 144 Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and animations incredibly smooth and fluid. It's a noticeable upgrade from previous generations. HDR10+ support further enhances the viewing experience, bringing movies and games to life with stunning dynamic range and vibrant colors. Whether you're streaming your favorite show or browsing photos, the Pixel 9's display delivers an immersive visual experience. The resolution is sharp and detailed, making text crisp and images pop. The display is also incredibly responsive to touch, further enhancing the overall user experience. It's a display that truly sets the Pixel 9 apart. From the moment you power on the Pixel 9, you're greeted with a display that captivates the senses. It's a testament to Google's commitment to providing a top-tier viewing experience. It's a screen that begs to be used. Section 5. Performance and software, the brains of the operation. At the heart of the Pixel 9 lies Google's latest Tensor G4 chip, a powerhouse of processing power and AI capabilities. This chip handles demanding tasks with ease, from gaming to multitasking. The performance gains are immediately noticeable. Paired with 12 GB of RAM, the Pixel 9 flies through apps and games without a stutter. The latest Android 14 operating system provides a clean and intuitive user experience. It's a seamless blend of hardware and software. The pure Android experience, free from bloatware, is a breath of fresh air. Google's commitment to timely software updates ensures that the Pixel 9 stays at the cutting edge. It's a software experience that prioritizes speed and simplicity. The combination of the Tensor G4 chip, ample RAM, and pure Android 14 makes the Pixel 9 a true performance champion. It's a phone that can handle anything you throw at it. Section 6. Camera prowess. Capturing moments in stunning detail. The Pixel 9's camera system is, as expected, a highlight of the device. The 50-megapixel main sensor captures incredible detail and vibrant colors, while the 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens offers a wider perspective for capturing landscapes and group shots. The front-facing 12-megapixel camera delivers stunning selfies. Google's renowned computational photography algorithms work their magic behind the scenes, producing images with impressive dynamic range, accurate colors, and stunning clarity. Features like night sight and portrait mode have been further refined, delivering even more impressive results. Testing the camera in various lighting conditions revealed its versatility and capability. From low-light shots to bright daylight scenes, the Pixel 9 consistently captured impressive images. 4K video recording is equally impressive, with smooth stabilization and vibrant colors. The Pixel 9's camera is a testament to Google's continued innovation in mobile photography. It's a camera that empowers you to capture moments in stunning detail, regardless of the lighting conditions. It's a true pocket photography powerhouse. Section 7. Battery life and charging, powering through the day. The Pixel 9 packs a 4,800 mAh battery, which promises all-day battery life even with heavy usage. Google's adaptive battery management further optimizes power consumption, learning your usage patterns and adjusting accordingly. It's a smart solution for maximizing battery life. 30-watt fast charging gets you back up and running quickly, while wireless charging provides a convenient alternative for topping up the battery throughout the day. The charging options offer flexibility and convenience. In our initial testing, the Pixel 9's battery life proved impressive, easily lasting a full day with moderate to heavy usage. The combination of a large battery and intelligent power management makes the Pixel 9 a reliable companion throughout the day. The Pixel 9's battery and charging capabilities ensure that you're always powered up and ready to go. It's a phone that keeps up with your busy lifestyle. It's a reliable power source for your connected world. Section 8. Special features, the Pixel's unique touches. The Pixel 9 comes with a suite of special features that enhance the overall user experience. IP68 water and dust resistance provides peace of mind, protecting the phone from accidental spills and splashes. It's a feature that adds a layer of durability. The in-display fingerprint sensor is fast and reliable, providing secure and convenient access to your device. Face Unlock offers an alternative method for quick and easy unlocking. The biometric options provide flexibility and security. Google Assistant integration is deeply embedded in the Pixel 9 experience, providing quick access to information, controlling smart home devices, and managing your schedule. It's a seamless integration of Google's powerful AI assistant. These special features add to the Pixel 9's appeal, making it a versatile and convenient device for everyday use. It's a phone that's designed to simplify your life. It's a device that anticipates your needs. Section 9. Initial impressions. A glimpse into the Pixel's potential. Our initial impressions of the Pixel 9 are overwhelmingly positive. From its sleek design and stunning display to its powerful performance and impressive camera, the Pixel 9 delivers on its promises. It's a phone that feels polished and refined. The combination of cutting-edge hardware and software creates a seamless and enjoyable user experience. The Pixel 9 feels like a device that's truly ahead of the curve. It's a phone that sets a new standard for mobile excellence. While our time with the Pixel 9 has been brief, it's clear that this is a phone with immense potential. It's a device that pushes the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. It's a phone that deserves your attention. The Pixel 9 has left us wanting more, and we're eager to delve deeper into its capabilities in our full review. Stay tuned for our in-depth analysis of the Pixel 9's performance, camera, and overall user experience. It's a phone that demands further exploration. Is the Pixel 9 worth the hype? Based on our initial impressions, the Pixel 9 is a strong contender for best Android phone. It ticks all the right boxes: stunning display, powerful performance, and impressive camera. While a full review is needed, the Pixel 9 has made a strong first impression. It's a phone that lives up to the hype. Stay tuned for our full review. Section 11. Call to action. Stay tuned for more. We hope you enjoyed this first look at the Google Pixel 9. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tech reviews and comparisons. Your feedback is invaluable, so let us know your thoughts on the Pixel 9 in the comments below. We'll be putting the Pixel 9 through its paces in the coming days, so stay tuned for our full review. We'll be covering everything from gaming performance to battery life and everything in between. Don't miss out. We value your engagement and appreciate your support. Your comments and questions help us create content that matters to you. So, let us know what you want to see next. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of the Pixel 9. We're excited to share more with you soon. Stay tuned for the full review, where we'll uncover all the secrets of Google's latest flagship phone. Until next time.